pontoon with a cooler full of cans, couple good songs and a sunburned tan. Salt on the breeze, peace on my mind. Out here leaving all my troubles behind. Ain't no clock, ain't no plan, just the sound of the waves and a cold drink in my hand. Whatever I was worried about on shore don't matter much anymore, 'cause life looks better on a boat. Blue sky above, blue water below, floating through a nowhere afternoon with nothing to lose and nothing to prove. Yeah, the world makes a little more sense when you're drifting with your best friends. Everything seems clearer, moving slow, better on a boat. Might drop a line, might drop the anchor, might just sit here, thank the maker for a salty breeze and a sun that shines on a barefoot heart and a free state mind. Some folks chase that high on land, I found mine right where I am, right here rocking with the tide, feeling more alive. Yes, life looks better on a boat. Blue sky above, blue water below, floating through a nowhere afternoon with nothing to lose and nothing to prove. Yeah, the world makes a little more sense when you're drifting with your best friends. Everything seems clearer, moving slow, better on a boat, better on a boat. Don't need much, just a little space, a little sun on a weathered face, and a first mate laughing next to me. That's all I'll ever need.